Some teachers in Myanmar use them as synonyms. So they will say in one sentence mindfulness, in the other one awareness. If you ask them what's the difference, they will say difference. They're synonyms. But I would like to suggest that they are distinguished. Mindfulness, if we look at the scriptures very carefully, we can see that scriptures suggest two levels of mindfulness. The first level, which I call awareness, is when we are aware of the present moment. When we are sitting, we are aware that we are sitting. When we are walking, we are aware that we are walking. Standing, we are aware that we are standing. When we are talking, we are aware that we are talking. Or if you are observing any of the 40 concentration objects, or if you are observing any of the 4 foundations of mindfulness, such as the body, feelings, mind, or sets of phenomena, then you would be aware of them as they are there in the present moment. So that would be awareness, just knowing the present. Then there is a second level recognized by the Buddhist scriptures, and that is being aware of the awareness. And I would like to suggest that this is called clarity. So you can be mindful, you can be like aware of things, but it seems that we can be aware of things and forget them, and we can be also aware of things and remember them. So why are we aware of things and then we forget them? And why are we aware of some other things and then we don't forget them? I mean here things like material things, like your phone or your shoes and so on. So it seems to me, based on my own experience, that if I'm aware that I put something somewhere and I'm not aware that I'm aware of it, then it's easy to forget it. You know, it might have happened to you that you would forget something, but when you think about it, you perfectly remember how and where you put it. So that would be awareness without clarity. Now, if it is awareness with clarity, then when you are leaving, you know, the place, then you are clearly aware of that, how you were aware when you put your things somewhere, because there was this clarity. It helps to remember it. So this clarity is also a second level in the terms that you are aware, not just that you are clearly aware. So the second level can also protect the first level, because you are aware whether you are aware. Am I aware or not? So obviously it would be difficult to be aware that you are not aware, but at least if you are aware that you are aware, you are pretty sure that you are aware. So when we are putting things somewhere, when we are coming somewhere, or whatever we do, it's really good if we can make this second level of mindfulness work so that we can remember things better and we can be more efficient, you know, in all what we are doing. The second level of awareness also helps us to clarify. Clarify means to improve that what we are doing. So not only that I'm aware that I'm putting, let's say, my fan somewhere, but I'm also clearly aware. That when I'm leaving, you know, I should take it with me. And when I'm putting it, as I'm clearly aware, I can also think how better I can put it. You know, is there any better place to put it? Or should I actually put it somewhere? Shouldn't I hold it? You know, the mindfulness helps improving that what we are doing. So this way I would distinguish awareness, clarity, and if there are both of them, mindfulness. There is a teacher in Myanmar who even suggests third and fourth and fifth level, but in my experience, as soon as you would try to get third or fourth level, you actually lose the first or the second in the present moment, in the continuity. You know, like, of course you can be aware of awareness, of awareness, of awareness, but then you are looking into the past. You're no more watching the present. The present is very fast. Before you would, realize the primary or secondary awareness, if you are now watching the level 4, then they would be gone already. You would be watching the past. So, and the scriptures actually also do not support anything like third or fourth level of mindfulness. The scriptures speak only about the first and second. So this is how I distinguish awareness and mindfulness.